Brina and Jessica are about to fight. And we just had a orange juice fight.
You did that.
Don't cry. Okay.
No, how I heard it though. Tell me, please, man. Oh, wait, somewhere. I'm about to change.
What's that? Hi.
So Jessica's crib.
Who's here? These are not my sister's shoes. It's Mark.
No.
Changing.
I'm going down the stair. Yeah.
If you hear the garage open or anything, or if
The
you,
garage is already open.
if you hear the front door open.
Were you sleeping over here, Bina?
No. Bina? It's not Bina.
Bina, staying.
Okay.
No,
No, don't
but
call me Bina. Call me Bina.
Or tell me when you hear the.
Here, get that before I go over there.
I don't want to. When you the napkin. When you hear, if you
It's
see
poo.
the truck, look it. If you see the truck pass by, Joanna, are you listening to me? If you see the truck or the blue car pass by, tell us because I'm not trying to fight.
I'm not gonna be watching you guys.
But still, tell us. And then if you
How do you zoom in, Bina?
Don't zoom in.
No.
Okay. Wait. It started over.
What? Save it.
Start it over.